this is part 2.
No, 3.
It's part 2.
And we're still doing rock, paper, scissors, shoot. So,
No grass now.
first one. Sam, I won. You did? Yeah.
Oh, yes.
So we're doing this one first.
All right.
So
Let's go ahead and open this.
you can squeeze it.
Oh, my cameraman, can you open this for us? Just pop it.
No, like pop the top.
Thanks.
Twist it. Oh.
No, the
I
bottom.
have slippy hands.
This right here. Right here. Twist that. Thank you so much, cameraman, for opening this for us.
Thanks.
Thank you, cameraman. All right. So we're about to squeeze this. You ready?
Yeah.
We need all the strength.
Twist it. Ooh.
We need
It's so
safe
glittery.
We need more than this. Hold on. I think we need to open it. Like open it.
Yeah.
There.
It smells weird.
Let me smell.
Cameraman wants to smell. Let's see.
Just pop it.
Yeah.
Cause this is a big bowl too. So.
That one is too.
Ooh.
Okay.
That's enough.
If you want to.
So we're gonna use any of.
Of these or this, or you want to stop?
I think that's enough. Cause that's a lot.
Yeah. You don't.
I can play
we
with
don't,
that
We don't
much.
need this.
I can play with that. Look,
We don't need this.
I can play with
Yeah,
that.
we could use some of this for this. Cause there's a
I'll
lot.
Yeah,
pick,
we.
I'll
How
pick
about we
one.
make Galaxy?
I'll pick one.
Galaxy. Yeah.
Galaxy. Yeah.
I'll
Okay,
pick
so,
one.
yeah.
I'll pick
So
one.
this is how much. This is
Let me-
how much. This is how much we have for this. This is a lot, you guys. So we have to look at the instructions.
For the sodium, because I don't know how to use this. Like, are you supposed to pour it in? Like,
Right, we don't know. Alright, so these are instructions for the porographic slimy
That
glue.
is too slimy.
Sorry y'all couldn't see. Okay. It says how to make supply sodium glue. Oh, does it? 4 rules, do not eat. Oh, we know how to not do that. Oh, right here. How to make origami. Using the mixing cup provided. Pour 303 version. And leave it spoonful of
okay,
sodium.
so right here.
Oh, we have to 3-4. Wait, what did it say? This right here.
303. So that should be 3-4 or.
So this is mil 90. 90? We don't have that much on the cup. So if it says 90, we would just do 90. We would just do 30.
But that's too
Inside.
high. That's too much for this.
Yeah, you're right. So we should
Just
do
do
30.
one.
We should just do 3-4 because it's safe.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so we go put that with the
You need water?
yeah.
I was
Right
about
here,
to.
Shane, it's
I thought I was about to put.
Right here.
Let me do it. Let me do
You
it.
have to put. Stop at 3/4 right there, okay?
All right, cameraman's going to get it.
Come back,
Is this
cameraman.
It's a little too much. Come back. Our cameraman.
Well, yeah, that's kind of a little too much. But we're not gonna use all of it. So
Yeah.
I definitely use this for my teeth.
It's a little too much. I'm just gonna go pour a spoonful of that. Spoonful of.
Spoonful. So just go ahead and grab it. Oh my god. I was just. Okay, come on. What is it doing? Come on.
A bead. And then we put it in the water, you guys.
I did. That wasn't
A
a spoonful. I
bead?
need a little more consistency.
Alright. Oops. Maybe she do it over the towel. All right, so now, guys, we just pour this in, I guess. Mix it while I pour. All right, we gotta let them see. Sorry, you guys.
I'll mix it.
Yeah, my cameraman, our cameraman is gonna help us mix it after we mix it. All right, mix it while we doing it. Go ahead, cameraman.
Okay, that's enough water for right now.
But I
You
shortened
gotta-
it down to 3/4 for right now. Yeah. All right, now we're gonna mix it. Go ahead.
Okay, it's turning.
I think we put too much sodium.
No, I think this is the right amount.
Whoa.
Tattoo?
That feels weird.
It's still like glue.
Tattoo?
It's
We
still
need some
gluey.
more sodium.
For real?
Yeah,
Think so?
here, add this.
Don't add a lot. This is sodium, you guys. The sodium is in.
Let's
This
go
was
show mommy.
slime number-
Tata.
This is slime
Yeah,
number
slime
one,
number
yeah.
one.
Ooh.
I think it's still mixing though. Oh
Yeah.
yeah, yeah, it's not right.
Yeah, it's
Oh
not
no,
really yet.
no,
We
no.
gotta add a little more sodium.
Yeah.
Like,
Maybe
can I
we
wash
gotta-
my hands?
Yeah, go ahead.
Where?
Ew. Feels like boogers. Ew. Ooh, get it out. Ew. Ugh. Ooh, she
Guys,
great.
yep.
Ew. Get out.
You'll be fine. Go wash your hands.
Okay, so I think we need to add a little more sodium.
Yeah, you guys, she's going to get some more. I'm going to wash my hands too. But I'm waiting until she comes back because I want to entertain y'all. Okay, she's back.
Add some
Watch
more
this.
sodium. This sodium is getting on my nerves. I'm tired of saying sodium. Sodium, sodium, sodium. Just shut up, sodium.
I think I added too much.
But you guys, sodium, sodium.
no, you didn't.
So I'm gonna stir it.
Hey, stop looking at trash can.
So,
Hey, guys.
okay.
Still a little bad.
Yeah, kind of.
Maybe this was a fail.
Yeah, this might have been a fail.
Come
Oh, it's kind of turning. Okay,
Little
wait, it's
bit.
turning into a fail. It's turning into a fail. This is one of the baddest fails we have ever did.
Oh my god.
I am.
Guys, I think this is going to be better because it's actually with white glue.
This already has glitter in it.
I think the sodium made it bad.
It's sticky though.
Yeah. Don't get mad.
When it's all over your face. Yeah, the sodium. I don't like the sodium.
I like baking soda.
See, you see how like it's just
Gooey.
baking soda. I like baking soda. Woo, woo. Hold on, let me just do this.
That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. It's perfect. Alright, you guys. So I think we're going to move on to slime number 2.
So yeah, this is so hard.
Slime number 2, you guys. I think slime number 1 was an epic fail. If you think slime number 1 was an epic fail, comment down below if you think it was an epic fail.
It is.
Oh my gosh, you guys. So, but it feels kind of good now.
No, look at this.
It feels
You gotta add
sticky.
lotion to it.
Yeah, we'll probably do that later, you guys. Put it back. Put it in.
Yeah, I gotta wash my
Alright.
hands. And we're gonna start on slime number 2.
Slime number 2 is next, you guys. The extra sodium is stuck in the thing. Just gonna wipe mine on the towel, you guys. Mine's hands are really, really glittery.
Okay, so
So
about
this was
this?
an epic fail. Let's put it over here.
bead slime.
Some beads are in here. If my cameraman can go get a plastic bag,
Plastic bag for what?
so it could be beads in here.
So we can put these beads in here. Let me fix this. A little one. A little one.
Yes, thank you, cameraman.
I thought we were keeping the beads in
Look
there.
at my hand.
No, we just put them in here so they wouldn't be in the box.
This is
All
like,
right. So
We're
And when
only
you
gonna
keep
use
it-
one glue.
and when it's
Yeah.
still on sticky on your hands, it makes a cobweb.
Oh my god. Here.
put it right there. I'm gonna do it.
Ooh, that's a lot of glue.
It smells like Elmer's glue. Yes, I think this is Elmer's glue.
Can I smell? May I smell?
Wait, hold on. Wait, I gotta get this stuff off.
Don't use our good spoon. Use this. Our good spoon.
Wait, I'm gonna squeeze it and just grab it. Okay, that's really all of it. Yeah.
All right.
So we're gonna make Galaxy. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add this food dye, use the blue food dye, and then we're gonna add this color. We're gonna use these colors to make. You think we should use this one too for Galaxy? Think this is good?
A little bit of those.
Yeah.
And then I think cameraman, can you go get us 3 more plastic
Or you
bags?
think we should just add these so it don't all be blue? What you think? Only add these?
I think we should just add those, a little bit of those 3, and a little bit of glitter.
Got them.
You think? Wait, we're not gonna add
One more.
We're not gonna add this,
No?
cause it's gonna make it like all only blue color. You're only gonna see that color.
Okay.
So here, open this
Here
up.
you go.
Thank you. Cameraman.
Open the noodles.
You know how you open noodle sauce, you guys?
Yeah. Oh, I think I opened it too much. Wait, tell me when to stop.
That's not. Well, you put it on. Then put it in the plastic bag. Yeah.
It does it.
Should open it sideways.
That's too much.
The purple is coming out.
Yeah.
Ooh. You put a lot of.
Oh my God, our Galaxy. So we're gonna mix.
Where's the other one?
Ready?
I thought this one.
Mix.
Whoa, this is not looking like Galaxy.
This is ugly. This is dope ugly. You think we should add the blue food dye now?
Yeah, let me see. Let me add it.
I'm just gonna add 1 drop.
Too much purple, you guys. Epic fail.
Not epic fail. It still looks a little nice.
Here.
Let's see how it looks with the food dye. Ooh.
It got
But we're not gonna let the ink see. See, if we would have put a lot of food dye, then it would have been lit. Just let them see the color.
See, you guys.
The color isn't that bad.
Add a little bit more in there.
How about we add yellow?
It's gonna make it mess up.
mess up.
The
What about
Galaxy.
red? Oh yeah, Galaxy.
And we're gonna have to add this to make the Galaxy look better.
Alright, so
That's the good one.
You guys, this is actually the mixy too. So
Add a little bit.
get a
more.
napkin. Cameraman, can we
have a napkin?
Sorry, guys. Okay. And I'm gonna add a little bit of this for y'all.
He said bread. Oh my God, that smells good.
Come on, ready? Add the glue already.
get these? Where's the napkin at?
Right here.
I can't put the plate.
Oh, you added the glitter. Is there another way?
I do not like
Use.
Give me a spoon.
Good. They just made this one.
That one
Maybe
just
add
a
more
little.
glitter.
Yeah. It's looking That's enough. Oh yeah, now it's like a galaxy with the stars in there. Oh, you spilled it. That's enough.
It needs to be perfect.
Now it's going. The galaxy's gonna get all in our hands when we play with it. Now get the sodium ready. Hold on. Where's the we gonna use that sodium?
Yeah.
Same thing. We don't want to open a whole nother. Let's see. Where's the constructions? Where's it? Okay. Let's put these constructions over here. Okay, go ahead and mix it. Y'all, my feet hurt, so I'm about to sit on my bottom. So I was sitting on my knees. Okay. Open it. Ooh, it's looking good. Look at it, cameraman.
I smell it.
See if it smells good. Does it smell? It smells like Elmer's glue.
Yeah.
All right.
This one smells like
Creating sodium. Fill digestible cup with 25 ml and 8. Where's the 25?
Yeah.
At least this one actually.
I'll do it. Okay, cameraman, make it 25. Don't go over.
25 is book. 25 is book. Come on. Right here. 25.
Try it.
Alright, and 25 and warm water. No, don't use that.
Warm water.
That's cold. Don't use that. Pour that out. Use the fossil. The fossil. Pull the fossil all the way to me. Yeah, Shayna, go help him.
Or you?
Yeah. Don't put it in there. Is it warm? Wait till it get warm. So you guys, you gotta.
Is it warm?
Using the spoon provided.
Wait.
Out. I'll leave the spoon. I think I know what we did wrong on the other one.
Right here. Come on.
You made it go too far down. Wait, that's where it should be.
Is right?
I think, yeah.
How hot is the water?
It's warm.
Okay, how much?
Of a spoon? He put it at 20. He did? It's 25. Put some more water in. A spoonful just like last time. Okay, I'm gonna get the spoonful ready, you guys. While she's getting the mess. Ooh, man. Here's some fireworks, you guys. Fireworks are amazing. Okay. So where's the spoon? Oh, we're gonna have to
Use the back of this stick. Yeah.
but we have to use a spoonful of it.
Want to try to pour a little tiny bit?
Yeah, because it says stir it until it dissolves. So.
Oh, that's what we didn't do. We didn't stir until all of it dissolved.
Yeah, let me stir. Stir the back with the back of this.
You don't like me.
So I'm stirring this. He's eating his food though.
When you pick up this food, he'll lay it trash.
Me.
Your boy, how? And when he does,
Alright, you guys, it dissolved.
It dissolved?
It dissolved, you guys. It's no more.
Are you sure? We need to add a tiny bit more because it looked like it's just water.
It's sodium at the bottom. That's enough. That's enough. This is sodium at the bottom. We gotta really get it so it dissolves. Goes away.
watch this.
If you don't know what dissolve means, it means go away.
Look.
His name is Jameson.
Come on.
Hurry up! See? All right, lay down, lay down. I have to do that with guns.
Get up, get up, get up. You get up.
Okay.
Alright, I think it dissolved.
Okay. Pour it inside him.
Okay.
Wait,
You guys
it's
get this
fireworks?
Alright.
Let's hope this one works.
We're not gonna do too much at it.
Is it
Let me
fireworks?
stir. The last time you stirred, it didn't work. Oh, this one is coming on good. Get the camera so they can see it. See how good this one is coming? This one feels like really, really slimy.
Not yet.
Not yet, but it feels like it. This one is the best one yet.
Then we need to pour some more.
Yeah.
Sodium.
Because I got a lot
Oh.
on my hand.
Here.
Those are fireworks.
Want me to stir first?
A lot on my hands.
Yeah. Yeah, this one is.
Already? It's not even July 1st yet. Tomorrow's July 1st. Why yet?
But they do it on the July 4th.
I know, but sometimes they do it on when July 4th is coming. But already? Gosh, it's June 30th. Please give us a break.
Oh, okay. Let me
How's it looking?
check. It's looking kind of good.
I think we need more sodium. Cause
Or
we
maybe
didn't
you
use
gotta
it
add
all.
some lotion to it.
Yeah.
The sodium, I don't like sodium.
Yeah, it's not. It makes it good.
Or you add water to it.
And it will like make some of the stuff come out and it makes it like stretchy.
I'm gonna add water to it.
For sure.
I'm gonna go add water to it.
Don't add too much. I thought you were seeing it at school.
I didn't. They were just telling me. Never see no fireworks.
This one feels really good, guys. That hurt. These hurt. Ow, these hurt. And they're sticking to my hand. I'm just getting the excess.
This is like the weirdest look.
I was in the water and look how the water went inside.
Oh. Let me see.
I made it sticky.
Let me see. It's on my leg.
Sorry.
This is feeling good, you guys.
Can I touch?
Now lick 'em.
I'm gonna play with it. This one is not.
How about this? Pass me a paper towel.
Cameraman.
Okay.
Guys, I think this one is the one.
Why you say it like you think that one is the one? Hold up.
This one is really better.
Now can I play with it?
Not that one.
Can I play with it now?
When we're done. You guys, I really like this one. These are Galaxy. This one is very, very good. I hope you guys can hear the fireworks. And the best fireworks are at Six Flags. Sometimes we go to Six Flags and see the fireworks. What were these for?
Maybe to put slime inside of it. I think. Yeah.
Doesn't fit.
Want to add like lotion to it?
Yeah, go get my lotion.
Where's your lotion?
It's on my dresser. You didn't see it? Just go really quick. You guys, this
Can I look at that one?
is better than.
Ooh, this one is more.
Pick that up.
And it's good.
Pick that up.
Can I look at that one?
No,
Okay.
not right now.
Got the lotion.
Is it coming out? Is it coming out?
It's coming.
And then just go hard. That's enough. Now go put it back.
What?
The lotion. Put it top. Guys, I think this.
We were about to go get pizza at the other slime.
Do y'all hear the folks? I think this one is the best one. I love this one. You
Come
guys.
on.
I wanted to see the fireworks.
I need the slime. Why?
Okay.
Because I'm still fixing.
Alright, you guys.
Can I please look at that one?
No, right now. Oh, not that one. My hands are so glittery.
Yeah, your hairs are done for.
I
We're going to use the other ones tomorrow. We're going to.
Okay, go ahead.
Sorry.
Go ahead.
Yeah. This, they got, yeah.
Come on, seen it for a second.
Which one? It's gonna get your hands glittery. Are you done? That's why I told you it's gonna get your hands glittery.
And don't rub your eye. Look at this one, Sam.
This looking better?
Okay, I'm putting it inside here. Just.
We need some containers or something. Alright. I don't like sodium. It doesn't make it feel very good. Makes
Yeah,
it feel
sodium
like.
is weird and nasty. And nasty.
Wish we had some contact solution.
I should have brought my contact solution. Sodium, like, don't ever buy slime with sodium. Cause this would have been way better and way straighter. But the sodium, like,
Don't put more glue in it. Supposed to be saving it.
for what?
For small.
Oh yeah. Where's the top?
I don't know, but right here.
That's not the top. Right here.
Well, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video because
Get this
it was really,
to
really
100 likes. And I'll do another slime video and I'll give shout out.
She'll do another slime video with May or by herself. So, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
A big thumbs
Yeah, boy.
up and share this with your friend. if you have a best friend like I do, best friend in the whole entire world, share this with your best friend. If you don't share it with your best friend, then your best friend might look at it and see that you didn't send it to them. So, I would send it to them already.
Yeah, let's go.
So,
'Cause it's late.
bye.